If you want to soft reset your Google Pixel 11, what you need to do is you need to simply press and hold the power and volume up buttons, and you will have to hold them for approximately 10 seconds. So let's get right into it. Now I'm just holding power and volume up, and even though I can see the power menu, I can just still keep holding it. And once the display freezes, or once it shuts down, so now I can see that it's frozen, I can just release these two buttons and soon, there we go, now it's turned off. And unfortunately, at least in my case, it seems that Google Pixel 11 takes a little bit of time to fully force restart itself. So even though nothing now happens on the phone, you just want to patiently wait for the phone to turn itself back on. You do not have to use the power button to power it back on. You just have to be patient, give it a minute or so, and then you should be able to, well, the phone should be able to turn itself back on. There we go. Now, in my case, it is powering back on. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.